This video was created to help you replace the fly screen in an Oceanair boat blind. We'll guide you step by step through removing the old, damaged screen and installing a new one. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, like and share.
Today's job is changing the mosquito nets in the Oceanair blinds.
So that's what they look like. You've got a section on this side which is the blackout blind, which I can't actually pull across at the moment, which is why it needs changing, and then you've got the mosquito net on the other side. So this is what they look like when you take them down. It's just an outer casing, and inside you've got two sliders, one either side. We did have to unscrew all the panels on the edges just to take it all apart.
This bit. Yeah, so we've taken the two screws out on each side. That is that one and this one, and just slide out the actual roller itself.
Make sure you've got the correct roller that you actually want to replace.
That's a good point, actually. Oh yeah, it is. No, we checked that before. So it's worth just checking that you've got the end stops where the magnet, it stops the magnet from coming in and out. And there should be one on each end, and there is on this one.
Okay. Just know what you're looking at, really.
Yeah. So take these two screws out.
Okay.
I mean, this is only to add on to last time.
Taking out the runner brushes and trying to clean because they're filthy, absolutely filthy. Getting it dry again might be a problem.
Trying to get all the residue off of the inside and the outside of the strip that goes round. But of course it's been on there a long time and it's not easy to get off anymore.
Fine batten along the edge to put it into the new one. And you want some of these skewers as well, wooden skewers, they come in really handy. So this little batten has to go about ½ an inch from the edge of the material, so you can fold the material over it and then glue it. Away from the edge. That bit is not a problem for glue, clearly, because once managed to get the piping on the edge, glued it all, and then we're just sliding it back into its housing. Stretching it.
If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, like and share.